I do hope all of this, you leverage all this to forge partnership with stations like Trust TV, for instance, and many others who are, are also coming up, because we are talking about global audience now. Okay, let's come back to, your stay in Nigeria and perhaps the essence of your coming, delivering lectures to the Muslim Ummah. What do you see? Because there are similarities between Nigeria and India, for instance. You talk about the largest Muslim community in Africa. And then we have India, which also has, huge population. The diversities are also there.
Double than that of Nigeria.
That's it. What experience do you think Nigeria can gain?
As far as this lecture is concerned, this visit to Nigeria is concerned, I was invited by the Sultan of Sokoto. Okay. So I'm his guest. He called me as the chief guest, as the main speaker for the 10th Sheikh Usman bin Fodio week. 1445 Hijri, that is 2023. Yeah. So that was my main purpose. I came, I gave a talk, and then I extended it to Illinois, and now I'm in Abuja. As far as what do I see between India and Nigeria, India practically is a country, though Muslims are minority in India, it is a country which has the largest number of Muslims. It may be close to 300 million. Yeah. But the government claims 205 million. 14.3% officially. So officially becomes number 2 or number 3 in the world. But unofficially and practically, it is the country which has the largest number of Muslims, more than even Indonesia. Indonesia has 227 million. So officially, India comes number 2 or number 3 after Pakistan. It keeps on changing. But officially, within the next few years, we will even outnumber Indonesia. Because today, India has 1.43 billion.
That's 1.43,
close to 1.43 billion population, largest in the world. It overtook China just a few months back. In terms of Muslim, officially it's number 2 or number 3, unofficial number 1. Compared to Nigeria, I know there is always a difference. So what are the population? So Christians say we are 50%, and Muslims say we are, Christians say we are 50-50. You are the Muslims say we are 60 and they are 40. If you go in the net, if you go to, they will say Muslims are 50%, 45% are Christian, and 5% are other religion. But I would say, being in the situation, the Muslim may be close to 60%. And we see in the election that this time we found that the president is a Muslim, the vice president is a Muslim. So based on that, I would say 55 to 60% would be Muslim, and 40% may be. But there are different statistics on that. I always go to the statistics, but there's no concrete per se. And the population, you'll find out the census is old. Therefore, I give you the worldometer. The population is 200 and some 8 million, 9 million, depending upon which year it is. So I give you the statistics, the worldometer, which changes every second or every minute.